Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Story number 113, and the title is The Final Earthquake. The Final Earthquake. Final earthquake. Which one is the final earthquake? In this world, so many earthquakes is taking place. In our city, Christchurch, we had earthquake, and still now it is taking time to rebuild the city. In other parts of the world, earthquake is taking place. The question is, which one is the final earthquake? And in this world, like in Japan, the earthquake was about 9-10 Richter scale. The question is, the final earthquake, how many or how much Richter scale it is going to be? So lots of questions can come out. But to simplify this, the final earthquake is going to take place during the resurrection. And that will be the final earthquake. After that, there won't be any more earthquake. Two big earthquakes will take place, and they will be the biggest. One earthquake will be when Allah will end this world. It will be one of the biggest earthquake, and not 5 or 6 or 10 Richter scale. It will be, Allah knows how violent, because through that Allah will destroy the world, the present structure of the world. Some people, they don't understand. They say that, how is it possible? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how Allah can destroy something that He loves? Allah loves this creation. Allah created this world with love, and how can you destroy something? How Allah can destroy this? Some people, they spread religion, and one of the group came to me once. And I remember they were arguing with me. They said that if you have a glass, would you like to break it? I said yes and no. They said, no, usually you don't want to break it. You love the glass, how can you break it? But actually, when the design of this glass, the model of this glass become old, then we'll like to recycle it and make a nicer one, don't we? So similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will end this world. It's like a recycling, so that for the next everlasting life, Allah will recreate a better world. That is the reason. Not just that Allah wants to destroy. So it will be for a better reason. So I say the two greatest earthquake will take place. One, when Allah will end this world. And then the second one will be when Allah will resurrect all the human beings from under the earth. The earth has to be shaking violently, so the earth will push everything out from its belly. And that one will be the final earthquake. And after that will be day of judgment and forever life, and there won't be any more earthquake. So final earthquake is going to take place during the resurrection. Now let us go to the Holy Quran and find out a little bit information from a particular chapter. There is a chapter called Al-Zalzala in Holy Quran, chapter 99. In Al-Zalzala means the convulsive earthquake. The convulsive earthquake. Shake after shake after shake after shake after shake. Az-zalzala. The zalzala means the shakes, not just one or two, but one after one after one, as long as it is necessary. So chapter 99 is Az-zalzala. And I remember in our city, after we had earthquake, some Christian friends, they memorized this Quranic term, Zalzala. So they used to tell me, Farid, Zalzala has taken place. So they're quite cute and clever. They learned the term. So Zalzala. So let us recite about Az-Zalzala in Holy Quran. It is a small chapter, so we will recite the whole chapter. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض وثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها when the earth is shaken to her deepest convulsion. It will be a violent shake because it had to push out everything from inside. وَأَخْرَجَتِ الْأَرْضُ أَثْقَالَهَا and with that shake the earth throws up her burdens from within. So human will come out, jinn will come out, even the mineral stuff will come out for which people used to fight one another, kill one another, rob and stealing, all those of things. These things also will come out, piles of gold, silver, diamond, because those things will be witness for the judgment. وَقَالَ الْإِنسَانُ مَا لَهَا and man will cry out of great pain, what's the matter with her? What's the matter of the earth? Why it is shaking? So this crying will be not from the believers, because believers they will know that what is happening. But people who did not believe, for them it will be an agony because they were not prepared for it. They did not believe in it. They did not expect this sort of thing happen. So for them it will be all unknown and terrifying experience, and they will say, what is happening to the earth? يومئذ تحدث أخبارها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها On that day, the earth will declare her news. The earth will tell. When Allah will ask, بِأَنَّ رَبَّكَ أَوْحَى لَهَا, when Allah will ask the earth will tell all the true things that happened on him, on her. In this world, people are committing crime, and that is happening on the earth. And the earth itself like a video camera. A video camera, how people make a video camera? They make a lens, and that lens is from the material in the earth. So the whole earth, people don't realize, the whole earth is a video camera. The whole earth is capturing their pictures, what they are doing. Secretly they are having meeting. Secretly they are making plot. Secretly they are robbing. Secretly they are killing. Secretly they are doing horrendous crimes for selfish reasons. And all these things are happening on the earth. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the earth to be witness. And the earth will tell everything. يَوْمَئِذٍ تُحَدِّثُ أَخْبَارَهَا. On that day, the earth will tell all the news. بِأَنَّ رَبَّكَ أَوْحَى لَهَا. Because Allah will ask her to say everything. So the earth itself is going to be a major witness about the human action. يَوْمَئِذٍ يَصْدُرُ النَّاسُ وَاشْتَاتًا لِيُرَوْا أَعْمَالَهُمْ. On that day, the people will proceed in groups, in sorted out groups, to be shown the deeds they had done. So that day, after the resurrection, after the earthquake, people will rise up. They will gather in a field. And then there, Allah will show them their deed. And Allah will use the earth as a witness as well. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَى. Allah says that then anyone who has done an atom's weight of good shall see it. وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَى. And then anyone who has done an atom's weight of evil also shall see it. So, our topic was the final earthquake. What do we learn briefly from this story? That resurrection will take place, no doubt about it. And the final earthquake will throw all the people out so that they will gather in the day of judgment. So this message Quran is giving, and now it's up to us. Whoever wants to get ready, get prepared for that day, should get ready and should be active about doing all the righteous deeds. May Allah give us ability to do all the righteous deeds. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.